So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video on this channel. As you know, every week we try to post for you guys something beautiful. Dropping ceiling 3 steps, it's one of the modern thing you can see everywhere now in some big houses. So today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that. Et si vous parlez français, faites juste cliquer sur le lien en haut à droite et vous aurez la chance de voir ça en français. Whatever size of house you have, you can build something similar. You can do something even beautiful like the one I have right here. Stay tuned guys, I will show you step by step how to do that. Let's use it. Alright, so first thing to do is taking the measurement. So it doesn't matter what size of your room, you need to at least take the measurement of your ceiling, and then from there you can determine how big you want your ceiling job to be, and then what type of design you want to do. It's important. So for me, I'm using a tape, as you can see here. That gives me a clear vision about how my dropping ceiling gonna be. As you can see, it's blank, there's nothing on the ceiling right now. I'm just gonna try to create something, make it beautiful. So again, I always said that your house is your investment. So whatever you do in your house, the price is not gonna go down, but it's gonna go up. So it's important to don't be afraid, spend your money and do some nice project in your house. So as you can see here, I'm taking the measurement, and I just want to let you guys know at the end I'm gonna put all the details about the material or the tools I use on this video, so you can see in the description below what I use there. So right now I'm just gonna make some holes. Those are gonna be for the joint. I'm using, as you can see, a pocket jig just to make the holes on. So you can use whatever you want, and that's work too. So for right now I'm gonna create the base. So the base is important because this is where you're gonna put those screws in. This is the part where they're gonna attach to the ceiling, so it's important to create some base support here. So I don't want to make it too heavy, that's why I cut them. So some people decide to do just like a long lumber they put on top, so it's good too, that's okay. But for me, in my case, I try to reduce the weight on the ceiling, so I don't want to put too much weight on it. So those are gonna be my base support. That's been this part I'm putting right now. So this is where I'm gonna put my screw to attach to the ceiling. So as I said, some people decide to put a long lumber on it, but I try to cut it like this and then make it less heavy. So that's why I do it that way. So right now I put 4, but I'm gonna add 6 more when it's attached. As you can see here, the frame or the base is attached of the ceiling, so Again, it's my choice doing it this way, but some people decide to do it otherwise. That's work too, so you can do so. All right, so as you can see right now, I have a bunch of 2 by 4 cut by 4 pieces, 4 inches long. So all I'm gonna do is add my second level, which is I calling a second step because it's gonna be 3 step. So because I'm working above my shoulder, I tried to use a nail gun to help me support the weight of the wood first, and then I'm gonna add screw as you see right here. So this one is basically the frame of my ceiling drop, so I just need to add extra support there. So I'm gonna show you how they're gonna look like. It's gonna look like an H because I need to leave space for the LED light. So I'm taking the measurement, gonna cut it. So my frame is basically done. I think now it's time to add the drywall. that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about anything here, about the LED, the port light, the ceiling light, whatever you want, guys. I'm here to answer any question you have. And don't forget, I'm gonna put all those details, any materials I use, any tools I use, into the description below. And the most important thing, guys, you need to click on the bell, because I don't want you to miss the next comment video. And if you want to be part of this growing family, you just need to click on the subscribe button, because you are welcome. I do that for you and for you only. Alright, guys, catch this one. I'll see you next time. Take care.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.